a sot hid a coffer of gold, and soon after died. A year later, the son saw his father in a dream, in the form of a mouse, its 2 eyes full of tears. It was running backwards and forwards on the place where the gold was hidden. His son asked him, "What are you doing here?" The father replied, "I hid some gold and have come to see if anyone has discovered it." "Why do you have the form of a mouse?" asked the son. The father said, "The soul of the man who has given up everything for the love of money assumes this form. Take note of me, O my son, and profit by what you see. Renounce the love of gold."